This video is sponsored by Hunter Engineering. Visit hunter.com for more information.
From the Aishan Broadcast Studio, it's What's Treading, brought to you by Hunter Engineering.
Hello and welcome to What's Treading. My name is David, and on today's show, we are talking about a new retrofit TPMS solution with our guest, Kelly Sadler. She is the Vice President and General Manager for Sonata's aftermarket business. Let's get to the interview. Kelly, thank you so much for joining us today. Appreciate you being here. And we're talking TPMS, specifically the Aircheck BLE. I'm curious, what do you feel makes this different than maybe other retrofit TPMS solutions out there on the market today?
Well, thank you for having me. We're very excited to be introducing the Aircheck BLE. Aircheck BLE is really redefining what retrofit tire pressure monitoring systems can be. It's the first universal kit to deliver OE level performance in a single streamlined solution for all light duty vehicles. So you don't have to juggle part numbers, no compatibility guesswork. It's also the first kit to provide alerts not just for tire pressure, but also for temperature and sensor battery life, which really helps to give the drivers a much more complete picture of their tire health. And then what truly sets this solution apart is its signal reliability over a very long distance. It's longer than 2 football fields, and certainly more than enough for any trailer setup. We accomplish this through advanced Bluetooth low energy technology combined with a very powerful range extender. And with seamless integration into Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, drivers get real-time tire health data right where they need it at their dashboard. It's very smart, it's intuitive, and built for the way that people drive today.
Well, speaking from experience, I know that I would greatly appreciate knowing my sensor life, so I'm not kind of blindsided when that light goes off on the dashboard. So I think that was a really smart idea. Now, I understand that this is a valve-mounted sensor. Can you explain what kind of went into that design decision?
Great question. Schrader chose an internal valve-mounted sensor design because it's really the gold standard for both accuracy and reliability. Unlike external cap sensors, which can be tampered with or affected by weather, internal sensors are protected and deliver precise readings for both pressure and temperature. And from a safety standpoint, this design really mirrors what you'd find in our OE factory installed products. We design trusted, proven solutions that are really built to last, and this is a really great example of one of those design choices that helps us accomplish that result. And then there's another key advantage, battery life. Aircheck BLE sensors are designed to last over 5 years, which is up to 3 times longer than the cap-mounted alternatives. And that really means fewer replacements, less maintenance, and more peace of mind for drivers and for service professionals alike.
Wow, very cool. And so, I think the advantages here are clear for the driver itself. What about for the tire dealer and, for the service professional who might be installing this product? Where do the advantages come in for them?
That's what's actually really exciting. So Aircheck BLE really opens up a whole new market for technicians and service shops. With nearly 250 million vehicles on the road that are still lacking TPMS, it's a massive opportunity to offer a premium safety upgrade that was previously out of reach. Now installers can retrofit TPMS on vehicles that couldn't support it before and do it really quickly and easily. Aircheck's single SKU design simplifies inventory management for the shop, and the app-based setup means less time training staff and no hardwiring required. It's really a win-win solution. I think customers get enhanced safety and peace of mind, while shops gain a new revenue stream with minimal overhead.
Very, very cool. So from that tire dealer's perspective, where do you think the real opportunity comes from for them? Is the play here that safety aspect? Is it kind of, what do you see tire dealers telling their customer as to, why they should be going for this particular TPMS product?
Yeah, I actually do think it is a safety aspect of it. And it's really, I think of it as also protecting assets. So if you think about like what you're driving around in a vehicle, it could be work or recreational equipment. It could be you have a classic car that you're driving around that maybe was doesn't have TPMS capability before. You might be going on a family vacation and towing a camper, with your family. So I think all of these things is about protecting assets, protecting family, and making sure that the drive is safer,
Yeah.
and that you get to your journey in a seamless fashion.
I'm glad you mentioned classic cars there, because I think that is a really good point. Obviously, they were not designed with TPMS in mind, and having the ability to kind of retrofit that into the vehicle, it's only going to enhance the knowledge that the driver has about their vehicle and the safety aspect. So that totally makes a lot of sense there. When it comes to training for shops, do you feel like training is required for those technicians who might be installing this product? Is there any support system that is offered for them?
Yeah, so I think installation is really straightforward, and that's something that we've been very intentional about. The team has put a lot of effort into making sure the app is intuitive and easy to navigate. Technicians can install the sensors using the same process that they're already familiar with. No new tools or complicated steps. Once installed, pairing is quick and flexible. Either scan a QR code or use a simple pressure change method in order to set it up. And then the mobile app setup takes less than 5 minutes, and there's really no hard wiring required. And then in order to support shops even further, we've developed a full suite of training materials, videos, and resources to help teams get up to speed with confidence, including the webinar that we've hosted with Babcock's Media a couple of weeks ago. So whether you're a seasoned tech or you're really new to TPMS, the process is designed to be smooth and efficient, and the early feedback that we've received from installers has been overwhelmingly positive.
Very, very cool. And so if you're the driver getting this installed on your vehicle, is the typical situation that you would install that app while you're in the shop with the technician?
Yeah, we do suggest that the user downloads the app, and then that whole entire setup is ready to go once the installation is done, and then it's a very seamless transition from the installer to the driver of their profile, and then they're off and running.
Very, very cool. And so Aircheck BLE, how is this fitting into Schrader's kind of broader aftermarket strategy right now?
So Aircheck BLE represents a shift in how we think about the aftermarket. For years, Schrader has been focused on developing products that make life easier for the technician, prioritizing ease of installation, reliability, and service efficiency. But today, we're really expanding that focus to include the people behind the wheel. Aircheck BLE is our first step towards developing products that create meaningful value for drivers. So it's not just about selling sensors, it's also about delivering a smart, connected solution that enhances safety, confidence, and makes every journey more convenient. And then by bridging the gap between the installer needs and driver expectations, Aircheck BLE reflects our commitment to innovation and a much more customer-centric design philosophy, one that puts our two customers, driver and technician, their experiences really at the heart of everything that we're doing.
It just makes sense. Connection is something that is, bleeding its way into every aspect of our lives, including on the road, including behind the wheel. Adding more of that connection and understanding and data points for the driver to understand, and the tire dealer, it just completely makes sense as far as where we are as a society here. So for me, this is really a really great product. I'm really, really interested to see how it catches on and where this goes from here. So thank you so much for the explanation here. This has been fantastic.
Thank you very much for the time and having me.
Absolutely. Take care. All right, really exciting stuff there. We know that TPMS is a great revenue driver for shops, and this product, it's really going to appeal to drivers. I know it is, and so I just can't wait to see where this goes from here. Big thanks to Kelly and the team, and we will catch you next time.